How to start car battery without jumper cables using manual transmission only. Position the car at the top of a hill, or have people push the car. Depress the clutch completely. Put the car in second gear. Turn on the ignition but don't start the engine. This is also known as key position 2. The key is inserted and turned one step to the right. Turning one step further would start the engine, which you don't want to do. Let go of the brakes. Keep the clutch depressed. You'll start coasting down the hill or moving due to people pushing. Let go of the clutch quickly when the speed reaches 5 miles per hour. The engine should turn and start. If it doesn't, try depressing and releasing the clutch again. This start method also works with the car in reverse. Reverse can be easier and requires lower speeds due to the gearing. This also provides an alternative if your car is parked on a hill facing up and you cannot push the car up.